Here is an earlier version of the switch that we removed from our project car. You can see the plunger on the end of the switch, red arrow, that gets compressed when the gear shift housing is placed in reverse. This photo illustrates the new version of the switch. You can still see that it works off of a plunger, red arrow. You can see the switch from the top of the motor, yellow arrow, but in this image we have already removed the battery box, the air box, and the intake tube with the MAF to get this image. Working from below, there is much better access to the reverse light switch, red arrow, and with the exception of the underbody tray, nothing else to move. The switch has a 22mm base and an electrical connection, red arrow. Remove the connection from the switch. With the connection removed, red arrow, you can put a 22mm deep socket on the switch, yellow arrow. Place your driver on the socket and remove the switch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.